Hello everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a little bit more on what's going on in my life, and especially for Google Developer Student Club. Besides Microsoft Student Ambassadorship, I am now a core member of the Google Developer Student Club here on my campus from Tamkang University. So it's great to be here as a part of this organization that empower technology, also community members to spread the idea of tech empowerment and so forth. So today, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark, a computer science student here from Taiwan, and you want to know more about GDSC, Google Developer Student Club. Today, this video is for you. So welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about GDSC or Google Developer Student Club in general. It's a student developer club that allows students to organize tech events and also organize a study jam for cloud computing technology and AI technology and so forth. So if you want to learn programming, or if you want to learn ML, for example, machine learning technology, deep learning technology, or all kinds of cloud computing technology to deploy your web application and so forth, feel free to join our club, because today we're going to stress what this club is mainly about and how we can help you to learn programming and so forth. So what is the club mainly about? This club is mainly about organizing people and gather people together to promote technology and also learn technology as well. So if you're interested in event organization, community building, as well as technology, feel free to join us, because this is the right place for you to join and be part of this growing community that trying to use technology to do something good. So also, if you want to be a beginner in technology, feel free to join us as well, because you are the member that we really care about, because you will provide a dash perspective besides from non-technical world, even technical perspective. So really important for us to keep in mind that we are welcoming everybody to come to this community as well. So I'm really looking forward to the event coming on from our club. It's called GDSC TKU. Or in Chinese, you can find us on also channel or even Google search us. In Chinese, our name is 谷歌开发学社淡江大学. So if you're interested in this kind of event, feel free to join us and help us to organize more and learn more as far as this process. And so we have our final update will be we're going to have a study jam for introduction to machine learning and some stuff related to image processing using machine learning technologies. The event will be hosted on 22nd October. Some of the stuff that is related to this event will be in the description down below. So if you want to join us in the studying jam, feel free to come here. We got an online session that can help you to understand more about machine learning. We got amazing talents within the club that are going to interesting what they are really passionate about to the developer around campus and beyond. So feel free to join us, and looking forward to see you on campus and in our event. Thank you very much, and let's empower growth and envision tomorrow. See you next time.